Look at you, you got your lip out. You got your lip out. Do it again. There you go. What is going on, Joyriders? We're gonna start this vlog off now. We got the GT500 up on the lift. Today we're gonna do some mods of the GT500, and what we're doing is something that I hope is gonna help traction issues, because you guys know that we have traction issues. So, but before we start this vlog off, yesterday, Kat actually came over, brought over something that we really needed to actually get this install started. It was like one little part. What's going on? Oh, did I hit your foot? Oh. What are you eating already? Those things are so
I'm a model.
See, look at this, guys. I get special delivery right from Ford. These are mainly, all this stuff is for my mom's build. So you guys are gonna have to check that out. And we didn't even plan this.
It was the weirdest thing ever. Insert picture here. Laura was sending me these to tell me that she was getting them for me. And JD was holding the bag, and I saw the...
We actually wear the same thing every day. Look at her Instagram profile. That's normally what I wear. I need to do a boudoir shoot,
yeah,
boudoir or whatever.
Boudoir.
Boudoir.
Yeah, it's French for ladies' room.
Redneck, we call it bonar. This is actually a bolt for a 2011 and up. My GT500, the bolt that it has in there. We're gonna get to it. When we get to the install part, I'll show you exactly where this bolt goes. You remember the BMR lower control arms and relocation brackets? I went through a few different sets of lower control arms, and out of all of them, I like BMR the best. So I'm gonna just start sticking with BMR. It's the best shit. So if you guys ever want BMR, you go on their website and you type in Joyride 7, you'll get 7% off. Look at that. This right here, this is the upper control arm bracket. This bolt, actually, when you pull out your rear seat, you put this bolt in and it screws in there. Like that, look, and it fits. You did a great job. Look at that, it fits, it works. Look at that. You came through.
You didn't say comment below at all.
I didn't say comment below?
Not in anything. You didn't say comment, so no one's getting drunk in this vlog.
Comment below if you guys are drinking right now. See, we got the bushings too. We went with the bushings. See, that's one thing about BMR. Like, their parts are like so nice. Look at that. And this is the adjustable upper control arm. It allows you to adjust your pinion angle to get all that shit just right. We don't know how to adjust the pinion angle, so we're gonna go give Kelly with BMR a phone call when we get to that part and have him walk us through it, because if I try to attempt it on my own, we're gonna mess it up.
How do you spell adjust?
Adjust. U-H-J-G. Don't ask me to spell on camera. I don't know. I'm gonna look so dumb in this video.
I really hate to break it to you, but you always look dumb in your videos.
Fuck it. I think I have. Maybe.
Right on that.
What did you say?
Can you get that bug off my car, please?
That's a croissantula right there. So she's gonna just go ahead and park the car right there. Oh yeah, and I still officially have not done my first drive. This weather is like preventing me not to. I'm trying to take Laura for the first official drive with the new setup, because I still haven't even taken the car out for its first drive. Because right after I got it done from VMP, it was like immediately just started raining. So the roads were wet. And then as soon as I got back, I dropped the car off with Randy. And then it was with him. It was actually over there 2 weeks, right? Well, yeah, it was 2 weeks. Pick it up from Randy, pouring down rain. Still raining.
You look so defeated.
Yeah, the rain.
Insert sad music here.
Shit. All right, that was yesterday, but today we're going to probably go grab a bite to eat before we actually start this install. And I gotta go pick up some ramps, and I'm gonna try to find a 25mm wrench.
Ready?
I'm ready, but before we start this vlog off, I'm calling you out. Everybody knows, and there's been a few comments in some of the other videos, where's the burnout?
I will do the burnout after SEMA.
After
because
SEMA?
my dumb ass will do something stupid and hurt myself, and then I can't do SEMA. But SEMA's a little bit more important than a burnout right now, and I know some people will respect that and understand.
So she made a promise a while back that she would do a burnout once we hit 75,000 subscribers, and we did that. Now 100K. What are we gonna do at 100K?
Maybe we'll get Laura to do a burnout. Yeah.
Maybe we could do that. She's like walking away, rolling her eyes at me like, look at this dumbass talking to himself.
Okay, nothing's in frame.
It's because I don't have this little selfie stick thing. Kids loaded up in the car. We're gonna go hit the road. He's upset. What is the matter with you, bud?
I can sit back there.
See, this is what we have to go through. We fight over Laura all the time. We do. I'm like so close to the steering wheel right now. And why do I got a bag of trash on my hood?
JD, get the off the hood.
Threw that trash away. We got the ramps, cool. Thanks, Sean. You're awesome. So we got the ramps, and now what? Food, right? Food vlog? Vlogging. What do you want to eat, bud?
Food vlog.
Where are we at? That macaroni looks so good, and you got you some applesauce. You got all hooked up. What'd you get, hon?
The exact same thing you got. No, I got this, but Max, you got the butter leg.
Yeah, corned beef and cabbage, Reuben's.
He's watching the vlogs. It's a new place in Winchester. You guys give us a hard time about going to Starbucks all the time, so we're trying something different.
Hello.
Check them out. Broke
Okay, drive-through coffee.
That tastes like an orange creamsicle. They have like mini donuts. What is it? Toasted marshmallow. Wild berry. Is that what it's called? That's really good. Definitely check this place out. They're here in Winchester, right over by Harbor Freight. And then shout out to the guys over at Harbor Freight. Super nice. They actually recognized us from the vlogs.
Yeah, weird when I got in, they were like, hey, I know you. And I was like, how?
Back in the garage.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
All right, anyways. You're a dork. We need to get these upper control arms on. I'm hoping that that's what's gonna help.
No, shit.
Hey, listen.
Ew! You're such a child.
Do it for the vlog. This is the upper control arm. The upper control arm bracket. Get these up on the car, but first thing we need to do is we gotta figure out how to get to that bolt in the back seat.
I know somebody that can get it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I'll go get her.
We gotta get the smallest person that can climb all the way in the back to get that bolt. You think you're gonna be able to get in the back seat and get this bolt? Because with the fixed seats and the harness bar, it's hard to get in there.
Yeah, I've gotten back there before.
I took out the rear seat and it's that bolt right there. So you're gonna need this. Here, try this bar. You'll get more leverage. Did you get it?
I got it, yeah. Why is it still so tight?
Because.
Is there something underneath you need to hold on to?
See, this is the bolt that we're replacing. So this is the factory bolt that comes in a Mustang, I believe it's 2010 and older. 2011 and newer, this is what they put in the rear for the upper control arm. So they actually made a bigger bolt. Thanks to Kelly with BMR, he actually recommended getting a new bolt. So when you do upgrade this bolt, you're gonna wanna get an upper control arm bracket for a 2011 and newer, so it fits that bolt. See, and then this one, when you get your first girlfriend, if it's like that, run away. So as I was trying to remove the upper control arm mount, I realized I'm gonna have to drop the fuel tank. So like these straps right here, and I looked it up, it's a T50, and So basically I'm gonna have to release those and just drop the fuel tank a little bit, and also I'm gonna have to get something to support. Gonna have to go do a Harbor Freight run, get another jack, and then also I don't have a Torx that size, so I'm gonna see if they have them. We'll see you guys over at Harbor Freight. There we are. Look at that. That's skills right there. I'm gonna go with this and let's see what they got. It looks like we're gonna have to pick up another one of these. Guess who gets to put it together? Bex.
Probably do it better than you.
Two phone in it.
I know, I'm working.
Toilet paper thing for the toolbox.
I know,
Yeah.
perfect spot.
Thank you. Hey, you too. Take care.
Still for sale.
Okay.
It's still for sale. The garage. Okay guys, we made the stand. We made progress on this Jamadoo.
You're calling it Jamadoo?
I never call anything what it is. This is the new one. This is the one that we had before. And then we MacGyvered this one. Calling this the B-Jam special.
It's not even...
It's not even?
Yeah,
it's a precaution. Comment below.
Don't comment below on this.
No, do comment below.
No.
Please take a shot for this one.
This is that T50 I was telling you guys about.
We made progress up here with the Jamadoo. We're about to pull it out.
It's like trying to fit everything through here. All right, we got it out. Let's hold it up next to the newer one and compare them. See how thin this one is compared to the new one? See, this has 3 holes, so you can use different settings on here. We're gonna use the top setting. That's recommended for cars that are lowered or stick shift cars. So usually the lower holes are for cars that aren't lowered or automatics. And this one is adjustable. They recommend adjusting this to about 9.5 inches. We have a protractor that will check our pinion angle once we're done and see if everything looks good. We got new bushings and a sleeve, so we're gonna replace that as well. I hear that's a fun job.
Good morning, Joyriders. So Laura, JD, and I stayed up really late last night working on the bushing on this car. When they tell you that this is the most annoying part of the process, that doesn't even describe it. It is beyond explanation. So JD already got started this morning but without us, but that's okay because he really is so excited to get this done. But I'm gonna take you over there so you can check it out and see the progress.
I'm dropping shit. What's going on?
So tell everybody what you've been up to.
Let me just say first, this bushing right here kicked my ass. Like literally whooped my ass. The factory bushing was actually looked pretty shitty. It was all cracked and corroded. It was bad, so I'm glad I changed it. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna be worth it in the long run. Cleaned it up, it was like all nice and shiny when I was all done. And put a little bit of lube on there. You guys know about that lube. And then put that in there and
That's right, you need to lube your bushing.
yes. So I put that on there and it just went right into place. It wasn't too hard. I used the C-clamp and kind of pressed it into place. Set it at 9.5 inches. So once I did that, I actually had to rotate. I'm thinking this is actually gonna help because the way I rotated the dip.
This is the thingamajig connected to the whatchamacallit.
Oh, you got me a zip tie? You get to put in the very last bolt. The important job.
Don't record my butt.
All right. Make it shorter?
Yeah.
You think it'd be easier? All right. Good job, babe. Thank you so much. I don't know what I would do without you.
Not that I was here, so you didn't have to take it to a shop.
Did you hear her? we're finished, we're done. Took it for a test drive.
Stop!
That was fun. But you guys have to stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed so you can be the first to see it. And let me just say, those upper control arms definitely work. It's gonna spin no matter what, but it's different because before when it would spin, it'd just be like all over the road. It'd hop around a little bit. But now when it spins, it stays straight and it's not as scary. It doesn't have that same scare factor it had before.
Well, the fishtailing was the scary part, but
right.
I still think you have more power and it's better than it
Oh yeah, the car definitely has more power.
But it's definitely more controlled.
I'm happy. Big shout out to BMR Suspension. If you guys want to pick up any of these parts or pick up anything from BMR, they do all kinds of stuff. Use this discount code right here. Get yourself 7% off and enjoy. Hope you guys like the video. And if you're not already, subscribe because we're gonna have tons and tons of cool content coming out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Buy some merch.